My life is a fuck up. My wife dumped me. My daughter won't give me blowjobs, neither will my wife's boyfriend. But yesterday I had an idea of singing a song. It was awesome. Here, listen. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, so do I. A full commitment is what I am thinking of. You would not get this from another guy. I just wanna tell you how I am feeling. Gonna make you understand. Then I got bored, so I watched porn and made a joke. Sorry if you find this rude. I am warning you now, it's rude, so don't blame me. A blonde Russian and an American were in a bar. The Russian said we were the first in spy. The American said we were the first on the moon. And the blonde said, well, we will be the first on the sun. The Russian and the American laughed and said, you can't get there, you'll burn up. She replied, I know, we're not stupid, we will do it at night. Then I gave myself a blowjob.